Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs with ham updated. Crack eggs into a bowl and whisk until blended. Heat a skillet on medium and melt butter or oil. Sauté diced ham briefly to warm and brown lightly. Pour eggs over ham and stir gently as curds form. Season with salt and pepper and finish with a splash of milk or cream if desired, then serve hot. Warm your skillet before adding fat so the eggs cook evenly and don't stick. Whisk eggs until the whites and yolks are fully blended and slightly frothy for a tender bite. Sauté ham quickly to render edges and boost flavor without drying it out. Pour eggs into the pan and fold slowly, scraping the base to form soft curds. Finish off the heat just before fully set to keep them creamy. Seasoning is simple. Add salt and pepper during cooking to build flavor while the eggs set. Fresh herbs like chives or parsley brighten the dish and pair well with ham. For a richer scramble, fold in grated cheese at the end so it melts into creamy pockets. Try a splash of hot sauce or a pinch of smoked paprika for a twist. Serve immediately for best texture and warmth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.